Hey everyone, Shivam here and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a quick and easy solution to a common problem that many of us face while working with Figma. If you've ever encountered glitching issues in your Figma prototypes and didn't know how to fix them, you're in the right place. First of all, we need to right click on our Figma shortcut and then paste this use dash angle equals to double quotes D3 D11 double quotes complete in the target field and hit apply. After you hit apply, close Figma and restart your prototype. After you have restarted your prototype, you will see that the glitching problem is no longer visible. And there you have it, folks, a quick and effective solution to tackle those annoying glitching issues in your Figma prototypes. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy designing.